Ciao a tutti. Benvenuti alla mia lezione di italiano. Hello everyone. Welcome to my Italian class. In this video, we'll be learning about the months, or I mesi. First, let's learn how the Italians describe the months of the year. Now please repeat after me. Gennaio, febbraio, marzo, aprile, maggio, giugno, luglio, agosto, settembre, ottobre, novembre, dicembre, Now let's shift focus to the Spanish-speaking countries. Let's learn how they describe the 12 months of the year in their own mother tongue. Now please repeat after me. Enero, febrero, marzo, abril, mayo, junio, julio, agosto, septiembre, octubre, noviembre, diciembre, Now let's learn the months from the French people's perspective. Please repeat after me. Janvier, février, mars, avril, mai, juin, juillet, août, septembre, octobre, novembre, décembre. Comprehension check. Complete the following table with the correct words for the months in Spanish, French, or Italian. Pause the video if you need more time. Now let's check the solutions. For this question set, we'll read from the left to the right column of the table. That is, in the following order: Italian, Spanish, and French. Now here comes row 1. We are finding the equivalent of the word August in the following 3 languages, where the Italian word is given. Agosto. We are going to fill in the following missing blanks for the Spanish and the French word. So for this row, your answer should be August, agosto, agosto, août. Row 2. We're looking for the word for January in the following 3 languages. And the Spanish version of this word is given. Now try to figure out the other 2. Your answer should be as follows: January, gennaio, enero, janvier. Row 3. Our target is the word June in the following 3 languages. Here, the French word is given. After completing this row, your answer should be June, Giugno, Junio, Juin. Row 4. This time our target is the word December in Spanish, French, and Italian. This time, the Italian column is given. Please figure out the other 2. Your answer for this row should be December, dicembre, diciembre, décembre. Please note that for the French word for August and December, there's an extra accent mark on the specific letter. For the word août, the U is covered with an accent mark. And for the word décembre or December, the first E is marked with an acute accent. In the next video, we're going to learn about date descriptions in Italian. See you in the next video. Arrivederci.